In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design emails using Klaviyo, a powerful email marketing platform that can help streamline your communication efforts. Whether you're reaching out to customers, driving sales, or just staying in touch, creating effective and eye-catching emails is a key part of your marketing strategy. So let's dive right into the process. To get started, navigate to the Klaviyo homepage. Once you're in, you'll want to find the Content section. This is where all your design magic will happen. So go ahead and click on Content at the top of your dashboard. Now from the Content page, you'll see a variety of options, but today, our focus is going to be on email creation. So let's move on to the Templates section by clicking on Templates. Here, you have the choice to either use an existing template or create your very own design from scratch. To create a new design, click on the Create button. This will lead you to a range of options for building your email layout. When the editor opens, you'll see options for blocks on your left-hand side. Blocks are the building blocks of your email, quite literally. They are versatile and allow you to add diverse elements like text, images, and even products to your email template. Let's start by adding some text. To do this, simply click on the text block from the options and drag it to your desired spot in the email template. You can then click on the block to edit the text to suit your message. Adding personal touches and clear calls to action here can really enhance your email's impact. Next, let's spruce the design up a bit by adding an image. Head back to the Blocks menu and select the Image block. Just drag it to where you want it placed, whether that's the top of your email to catch a viewer's eye, or maybe further down to break up some text. Placement can make all the difference. In the Image block, you can upload pictures directly from your computer or link them from a URL, giving you maximum flexibility in how you choose to display your visuals. You also have the option to showcase products directly in your email. By choosing the Product block, you can integrate shopping features, making it easy for your customers to go directly from your email to shopping in just a few clicks. This is particularly useful for promotional emails, where you want to highlight sales items or new product lines. There are many more block options available for you to experiment with in Klaviyo. These can help you further customize your emails to either match your brand's aesthetics or to achieve specific marketing goals. The key is to play around and find what works best for your unique audience and message. With these tools at your fingertips, you can create professional and engaging emails that will captivate your recipients. Happy designing!